Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channels. So in the past couple years, I have reviewed so many all-weather formats for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. I believe about 6 or 7 different brands, different kinds before, but none of them actually provide a full coverage on your floor, meaning the side panel and left and right side panel, also on the inside underneath the seat. But today I have found a new all-weather format that covers everything. It covers both left on the inside here and on the right side. As you know, all of these panels inside your Model Y and Model 3, they're all carpet material, which is really hard to clean, especially if you use your car during the winter and it's snow outside, it's rain outside, and you try to get back in your car and your feet came with the mud on your shoes. It will be so much harder to clean without those panels covering all the carpet material. So this is the first all-weather format that actually provides full coverage in your car, both passenger and driver, also even the back seat. So in today's video, I'll show you what comes in the box. It's actually the whole set with 3 pieces, two front and 1 rear, also the trunk liner with the sub trunk liner and a front trunk liner too. And I'll show you what it looks like after I install it, check the fitment and the quality and the comfort of the new format. And at the end, I'll let you know what I think about this new full coverage all-weather format. Now, let's go. And here what came in the box of the all-weather format with full coverage from West Liners. This is probably the most covered format that I have seen so far with this material. This is a eco-friendly recyclable, I believe this is called TPE material, that is fully recyclable, because a lot of full coverage format out there in the market, they're like vinyls or fake leather or leatherette, but this one is a full all-weather format that you can actually take it out and wash it. It's waterproof, weatherproof, and it's super high quality. It's really thick, and it's thicker than most all-weather format that I have seen so far. Let's take a closer look at the quality before we actually install in my Tesla Model Y. As you can see, it has this logo waist liner, and I have not seen anything like this before. As you can see, it covers the whole panels that has carpet material in your car. So make sure feet are dirty coming in the car, it doesn't dirty on those material, because it's really hard to clean, especially when you are in winter like Colorado, because in winter our feet will get wet from the snow, get in out the car. This one will be so much easier to clean and to wipe out. As you can see, the texture is really nice, really good texture, and has this rubber texture right here where you frequently rest your foot on. This is for a driver's side, and it has stitches on the edges too, which is really good. So this will last really long for your car. Let me compare real quick with a regular all-weather format. So this is a passenger side for the regular all-weather format with similar material. This is eco-friendly material, but it has different texture on. As you can see, this one has this kind of texture, this one has different kind of texture, but they seem really easy to clean, both of them. But this one only cover this much in the car. As you can see, this one covered pretty much on the side panel, this part of the passenger seat, and all the way on the side of your seat, even underneath of your seat too. And let me show you the thickness of the format real quick. So this one has Velcro in the back, both sides. This one too, to make sure it sticks and this doesn't move around when you install it. And the thickness. This is the thickness of the regular all-weather floor mat, and this is the thickness of the full coverage all-weather floor mat from Westliner. As you can see, it's a huge difference. It's almost double the layer of this one, and it has stitches on the edges, so it's much more premium quality than this one. Alright, so you see the huge difference in the quality of the floor mat. Let me show you all the pieces because they all have the same quality throughout the floor mat. So this front driver, this is front passenger, this is a second row floor mat, and the second row, even the second row floor mat has this back piece which cover under the seat of the second row seat, because those area I'll show you later when I install it are carpet material, which is really hard to clean, easy to get dirty. So this covers that part, the whole thing. You see the side, it's covered on the side too. Usually a regular floor mat would cover until here, and this one goes underneath the front seat. Same high quality material, and the stitches on the edges too. And now let's check out the cargo liner. Same thing here, really high quality, really thick floor mat, and it should cover everything in the cargo area of your Model Y. One more thing I forgot to mention, the reason why thicker, it's a little better than thin, because it gives you that a little bit more comfort when you rest your feet on the floor mat, especially for a long drive or daily drive. And this is for a front liner. Same thing here, really good, high quality, premium quality. And this is for the sub truck. I think the small one is for sub truck. Yeah, this is for the front. Same material, same quality. Alright, now we saw everything that came in the box. Let me show you where you can get these floor mats and the liners. You can get this new full coverage floor mat from Westliners or westliners.com. As you can see here, there are two different options, first and second row or the full package as you see in the video, and they offer both Model Y and Model 3. And if you are interested, you can use my special discount code for 10% off. I'll make sure to put the discount code and the link of this product in the description down below. Now let's go and test it out in my Tesla Model Y. Alright, now before I install the new floor mat or the new liner from Westliners, let me show you something real quick, because before I had installed the interior protection kit, so it protects this panel right here, as you can see, which will be covered with the new liners, so I don't really need that anymore. And same thing on the passenger side, as you can see, also in the rear, this one right here. So now I don't really need this anymore, because without this liner, you don't have this protection pads, it will just be the carpet material, which is really hard to clean. I try my best to clean underneath of the floor mats. It's still a few pieces or a few dots and dirt that you can't really get rid of. So now I don't really need this anymore. It came with like 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3. Now with this all-weather floor mat from Westliner, I saved my money without having to install those. Now that I remove all of these interior protection pieces out of the car, now let's install the new floor mat. Alright, just finished install the full protection floor mat from Westliner. Let's check out the driver's side first. As you can see here, so the driver's side has that rubber grip right here, so where you put your foot all the time while you drive, so you have a better grip for the bottom of your foot. I'll show you later. And so you see the side panel. This is the part of all-weather floor mat. This is the part of the floor mat that covers pretty much the whole side panel right here, because a lot of time your foot will dirty on this side because it has that carpet material on the inside too. So it'll be so much easier to clean. Just use the cloth and wet cloth to wipe it out. And also on the inside, you can see it covers all the way up here, almost the whole carpet material on this side. And also this panel too, right here for your left foot to rest. And this side is also protected and covers. And on the side all the way down to here, which is covers, and also even on the inside right here, so it's full coverage. All right, let's check out the passenger side. Same coverage goes on the passenger side. So this whole side panel, as you can see, all covered. And this one goes up all the way here. It doesn't cover here because most of the time your foot won't. It has like a 2 inches gaps that it doesn't cover, and all the way here, and also this panel right here. So the right panel, usually none of the all-weather floor mat that I have tested have the coverage on this side, so it's easier to clean. Now it's covered on this side right here too, and also on the inside, and all the way on this side. I had this cover protection for the base of the seat, otherwise this part will just velcro it on the carpet material, but now it still stays and it still works. All right, let's go to the back seat. Here is the back seat. As I mentioned before, the back seat, I had protection kit protecting this part right here. Now I don't need it anymore because this floor mat covers everything. As you can see, really cool. It covers up all the way up here, so I basically tuck the rest in underneath the seat, and it covers all the way on the inside and the side right here too, and right here too. There's like no carpet material left to clean at all. And then goes to here and on that side. Let me show you on the other side. Here you go. You can see a little bit better here how it's all protected on the back side, especially this, because my passenger, usually kids, sitting in the back here, and they make it dirty on this part all the time. Now I don't have to clean it, and I don't have to buy extra pieces to cover this anymore, because this rear seat all-weather floor mat covers pretty much every single square inches in the back here. Let's go to the rear trunk. Here is the rear trunk. Looks really good, and it covers pretty much everything. Only thing I did not like, because it doesn't have like a folding line to divide here, so easier if you have the line right there, so it folds easier. But then the more you use, it will just create its own crease and line there. So you can open the sub trunk, and this is the piece inside the sub trunk. Again, it covers all on the sides too, and it looks really good. It looks so much better than I thought. It's not only covers really good and high quality, and it looks good too. Oh, check out the front trunk or front liner real quick. Again, it covers all the way on the side here, so if you get anything dirty, take it out, wipe, or just wash it or clean it. Super easy to clean now. Okay, let me show you real quick, or share with you how the comfort is. As I mentioned before, it has like a thicker cushion to it. All right, let's test out the comfort of this new floor mat. It's really comfortable because it has that extra cushion. Even this part, see, this part is actually thicker than the rest, so that offers a lot of comfort, especially on a long road trip when you rest your foot here, or you rest your foot right here on autopilot. Now this grip comes in really handy, as you can see. So my foot on the accelerator or the brake on the bottom of your foot, less likely to, you know, lose the grip or slide around because of these rubber pads. And as you can see, the side panel is all protected also on this side, so doesn't matter how I dirty it, it's gonna be so much easier to clean from now on. As you can see, this new full coverage all with the floor mat from Waste Liners pretty much cover every single square inch in your Tesla Model Y, or in my Tesla Model Y. As I mentioned before, the winter is coming here, especially in Colorado. It'll be a lot of snow and then wet shoes in and out, or muddy shoes in and out. So this is perfect time for me to change the floor mat to this all-weather full coverage. Let me know what you think in the comment down below. I think it's really awesome all-weather floor mat with full coverage, so I don't have to buy those extra pieces to cover those panels anymore. And thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I'll make sure to put the link of the new full coverage floor mat in the description down below, and special discount code for you too. Don't forget to click like if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome contents like this. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.